Hi little stars, you are getting a wooden kit set from my Raven. So in this Christmas, you have your gingerbread, your bells, and your snowflakes, a set of brush, and 3 mini ribbon or a loop. So what you can do with this, definitely to unleash your creativity and your interest in painting with colors and play with colors. Feel free to use all the colors available here to paint your gingerbread, to paint your bells and snowflakes. And what you can do after that is definitely using this mini ribbon or rope, you can tie them on top of here and let it hang on your Christmas tree this season. And another creative tips that you can play with this wooden kit is that turn back, it's blank. You can continue to color, to draw, and to decorate this with all items you have at craft with your mommy or your daddy or even your siblings, right? You can even turn this into a bookmark or even a card to wish your friends or your loved one Merry Christmas. So same for the gingerbread man. It's all blank, so you can continue to have fun with it, right? Well, it's a pretty simple painting on a wooden kit, but it's gonna be fun, we promise you. So have fun, little star. Merry Christmas!